Hello, this is John Piper with the Tuesday video clip, and it's Tuesday the 18th of April. I thought I'd start with a chart of the Dow this morning. There is a pattern here which we ought to consider in view of this rally we saw. This is that we're seeing a flat correction, A, B, 5-part C, A, B, C, and A, B, C in the same approximate area as the decline we saw at the end of March. So let's have a look at the pattern here, see if we get any clues of this little rally. This is a 3-hour chart, by the way. It's a 5-minute chart. This is the low. So we had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, and then a C. So this could easily be a 1 and a 2. I have been saying this would be a corrective move. It was beginning to show some signs it might go on further, but right now it looks like it might be over. Depends what happens today, of course, so I have to wait to see what develops later on. If we're going to see an ABC decline, I mean the 50% level is probably around here somewhere, looking at it visually. You can obviously calculate that better yourselves. Any kind of buying spike today would be a reason to perhaps go long. Obviously spikes are a good trading mechanism because you have a close stop at the bottom of the spike, at least normally close, depends on how big the spike is, obviously. Alright, FTSE looks differently. We've got this 5-wave decline I've been discussing fairly endlessly. A, B, C. This looks like a 3rd wave down. So I have to see how that develops. Whereas the Dow has seen that rally, FTSE has done nothing at all. Still going down, making new lows, looking very negative. It's very unlikely that the Dow will go up and FTSE will go down. Not impossible, of course, but seems fairly unlikely. So this had to, but that is a very negative pattern, obviously. As far as wave count is concerned, let's clear this. From that peak, we've got this sharp 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So right now it looks negative, so I don't really say much else. The Dow is acting differently, obviously. Well, the DAX is somewhere between the two. We've got this ABC decline, suggesting it's corrective. I rather like the Dow. Another ABC there. Then we had the sell-off down to there, which looks like it could be the end of the matter. And we're now retesting that at the moment. So it depends how that goes. Although the Dow is a little bit down, it's not down anywhere near as much as FTSE, and clearly the DAX is at support. So it's all about to happen, I guess. Exactly which way, I'm not sure. The Dow looks very positive. We should see a bounce today. The DAX is at support, so that could bounce too. And FTSE would need to turn the current pullback into a false break. And IG just told me that FTSE is down over 1% so far today. I should just mention my positions on equities. I'm just short, so I've written some DAX call. That's the only reason I've got at the moment. They're doing okay. So a decline would suit me. I was short FTSE, as you know, but got stopped out having taken some profits and tightened the stop. Right, gold. I'm still very long gold, as you will appreciate. Wave count here is, as I said, this is a 2-wave. This is 1, 2 of 3. And we've got 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 now coming in, I think. So it still looks fairly positive. Let's look at the longer term. 200-day moving average is here. 50 days coming up here. So let's go down a leg. Not a very neat count, but that could be a 1, could be a 2. That looks like a bit like a 3, I think. Although obviously there are various waves here that could be part of that. This currently looks corrective. So a bit of support around 1280. So this could go lower. In fact, it's not cast in stone. Obviously 1300 is a key level. We've got pretty close to that now. Just depends whether we want to see a bit more. But I might well do some hedging. If we break 1280, then I'll hedge my longs with not fully, but to an extent. I'm going to stop above here, so risking about almost 20 points. But right now it looks promising, I think. Still very positive, nothing to alter the uptrend, but obviously a correction can come in at any time. Right, fairly short and sweet today. Quite a lot of interest happening on the equities. Gold's not doing too much, and as far as the equities are concerned, I really want to see the current position resolved. It's a little bit uncertain right now, and also there's quite a lot of dichotomy between the various markets I look at. Great, well thanks for listening, have a great day. I'll speak to you on Thursday morning, and Bye for now.